This product appears to be a set of 2 professional hair clippers designed for men's grooming,
specifically for trimming sideburns and other detailed areas.
The set includes 2 clippers, likely with different blade sizes or attachments for precision cutting.
It's marketed as a perfect gift for loved ones, suggesting that it's a practical and stylish grooming tool.
Key features: set of 2, offers versatility for different grooming needs. Professional grade, implies high quality performance. Sideburn repair and cutting, ideal for precise trimming.
Electric operation, convenient and efficient.
Salon quality grooming, suggests professional level results.
Gift worthy, suitable for gifting to loved ones.
Potential assist, sideburn maintenance, precise trimming for a clean look.
Hairline shaving, detailed cutting around the hairline.
Beard grooming, touch-ups and shaping of the beard.
General hair cutting, for shorter hairstyle or touch-ups. Overall, this product seems like a good option for men who want to maintain their appearance at home with professional quality tools.
It's particularly well suited for those who need precise control over their grooming routine.